Hi guys, Bobby D here from BobbyDOnlineMarketing.com. So welcome to my video. I wasn't going to do this today, but I've been going through my emails this morning. I'm a bit behind and I've probably had about 15 emails from people saying, Bobby, how do we make passive income? How do we make those $100 days passively? Now, if I had the magic pill to that, I'd be a millionaire, but there are ways to do it. So I emailed those 15 odd people back, and from the replies I got, about six, I asked the question, do you have a blog or a review site? And all six said no. Now, for me, having a review site or a blog is a must. I probably get 50% of my income passively through having a blog. And that means once I've made my review or put a blog out, I never go back to it. And I mean never. I never touch it again. It's out on the internet and it passively brings me income. So having a review site, blog site, is 100% what you need to do. Now, some people say, I don't know how to do it, it's expensive, it's too complicated. No, no, no. Take action, guys. You need a hosting account. I've been with HostGator, GoDaddy, Namecheap, Bluehost, all useless, right? Too expensive. I've currently been with SiteGround for the last 8 months, and they are the best company in the world. Simple. I will never leave them. Their customer service is brilliant. If you have any problems whatsoever, they don't tell you how to do it, like HostGator or GoDaddy. They fix it for you. These guys are brilliant. And the best bit, $4 a month. It's ridiculous. The start-off packages are about $4 a month. I pay $9 a month, and I'm hosting 9 websites. It's unbelievable, the price. So if you're interested in getting hosting, click below, grab yourself HostGator. So grab yourself SiteGround. Don't grab HostGator, whatever you do, SiteGround. So this is my site, guys. It's a simple review site. Bobby D Internet Marketing, BobbyDOnlineMarketing.com's there, and these are all my reviews. I'm sure you've all seen it. Have a look at my site, copy it exactly as I do it. I don't care. I've got some tabs there, and basically what people do is they go into a review, as you know. I do a review on it. I do a review video, talk about my bonuses, which are all there, and upload it to Google, and it sits there making money passively. Now, I've been doing this for a long time, for 8 months. My site ranks, okay? If I launch a new product that comes out, I normally get on the first page of Google. Well, I always get on the first page of Google, and quite often I'm number 1, 2, or 3. And that's because my site's been around, it's got some authority, and it ranks. But you can do that too, all right? It's not an overnight process. You're not going to launch a website tomorrow and start making money tomorrow. You're not. But it's so worth doing it, guys. It's the best thing I've done, having that website. And there are ways, there are little tweaks you can do to help rank that site. If you go to SiteGround, it's free to upload WordPress. You then just download a free theme. It's so easy. Make a site, right? Just start uploading those videos. Just start uploading blogs and reviews. You don't even have to put videos on it. Just get reviews on it, put your affiliate links in it, and start getting some authority on that website. Go to Fiverr, find someone that does backlinks. They do them for $5. Make sure they're a good seller. Make sure they got good feedback, and order yourself 300 backlinks or so, right? Again, it's not overnight. It takes 3 or 4 weeks or months to do it. But after that month, your site will slowly start creeping up the rankings, okay? Mine's up there now. I tend to keep it up there. I'm using Fiverr. I'm using other methods to get it ranked. And once you get your site ranked, it's passive income. All right, you've got to do this, guys. If I give you one bit of advice, get a blog. Now, it's 2019 now. I'm starting to change my things around a bit. This is my review site. I'm going to have a new tab that says blogs or something like that, and I'm going to do reviews around ClickBank and other bits and bobs. So this is mine, a bit about me, a Facebook page, free training. This is very important because this gets you customers. You hit your free training, it takes you to my free training, my own products, my story, and a bit about YouTube, signing up. So it's simple to use. It will take you a couple of hours to set that up, guys. Well worth doing it. Stop talking about it, just get it done. Expense is going to cost you $4 a month. It's not too much, all right? So get that site going. If you're worried about, oh, I can't write content, I don't know how to write about ClickBank or affiliate marketing, then there is a great bit of software that's come out called Conchu by Mark Bishop. It's my software of the year. It might even be the best bit of software I've ever seen. There's a link below as well, and you don't have to buy it through the link. Do what you want, but it's there. And basically, what it does is you pick a YouTube video, and Mark software takes all the spoken content out of it. So, like this video now, all my words would be taken out, and it puts them into a blog. And all you do is cut and paste that into your WordPress site. It can't get any easier. Whack your affiliate link in it, you're off and running. It's the best bit of software I've seen, and I'm going to start using it next couple of days. Keep an eye on my blog. You're going to start seeing some new bits appearing, and I'm using Mark's software to do it. So jump on board, guys, and grab it. It's absolutely brilliant. So get your hosting from SiteGround or whoever you want. I recommend SiteGround. Start posting videos. Start posting reviews. If you've got the money to buy Conchu, it's going to save you 1,000,000,000% of your time. Do 3 or 4 of those a day, guys, or at least one a day. Upload one video a day, one review a day. Start using some backlinks. What I do when I affiliate an offer, I never send my customer from the email to the sales page. They go from the email to my blog, from my blog to the sales page. So everyone that hits my blog counts in Google's eyes, and that's another visitor, and that gets it ranked even more. It's all about ranking. Use those backlinks. Use everything you can. Once you get your link, mine's bobbydonlinemarketing.com, post it on Facebook. Use it as your signature for forums. Use it everywhere you can, because every click counts, all right? Every click counts in Google's eyes, and you'll start ranking that site. It's not overnight. It's not a 5-minute thing. It's going to take some time. But please, if I give you one bit of advice, do it. It's the best bit of advice I ever had. I didn't have a blog 8 months ago, and I was struggling. I've got a blog now, and I make sales every single day. And, I make sales, and it's really weird, from stuff that I've advertised months and months ago. And that's what you'll find. 0 to 24 hours. I've sold a couple of those this week. I haven't. That's been a month old. Scribble. I've sold a couple of those. One of Jason's products, I can't remember what it was. But I sold one of those this week, and I have not affiliated that for months. I think it was Blistering. It was Blistering. I sold one of those. I haven't reviewed that in months. It's months old. I put that on August the 20th, 2018. I uploaded that, and I've sold one this week. Why? Because people are just searching for it on the internet, and my site's coming up, and they're making sales. So that's my advice, guys. Get a blog, a vlog, review videos, anything you want. Just get it on there and start getting it ranked, all right? Now, if you get stuck, if you're at SiteGround, they're going to help you out 100%. If you're not sure what you're doing, speak to me. Just buy a domain name, right? I've got Bobby D Online Marketing because that's me. Get one in your name, get one that's catchy, and you just link it from there, from the domain, from GoDaddy to SiteGround. And I've actually got a video I've made a couple of months ago on how to do that. If you get stuck, speak to GoDaddy, speak to SiteGround, PM me. I'm happy to help, guys. I'll help you out. If you get stuck or you need some advice, hit me up on Facebook and I'll give you some advice around it. But my number one bit of advice for today and for the next year is get a blog, right? Get a blog, guys, and I want to see you doing it. If you're on my Facebook group, post it on my Facebook group. I've got no problems. Show me your blog, show me what you're doing, and I'll give you some advice around it. All right? So the links are below to SiteGround, to my free training, to my blog, to Conchu. Get on it, guys. Start making it. Take action. It's my rules. Take action. I took action 9 months ago. I'd never sold a thing. Now, I'm doing all right. As I do this part-time, I'm making a few quid. So hopefully you guys can too. I'm Bobby D. Hit me up on Facebook. Cheers, guys. I appreciate you listening, and I'll speak to you all soon.